Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-350 XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a lovely 6.7-liter Power-Stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Black Appearance Package, FX4 Off-Road Package, and the XLT Premium Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing with a tow hitch receiver, backup camera, bed camera as well, with a lovely bed liner. We got a tailgate step as well, side bed steps, mud flaps on the rear and front, with gripped running boards on either side, with side view camera, fully powered trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, and moving to the front, we do get license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We got this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course you got a lovely split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a mostly power driver's seat, with this being the only manual part. Same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front with that upgraded B&O sound system. We got power folding mirrors. Pretty handy. Powered windows, mirrors, locks. We're gonna swing that back out. You got your lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 24 kilometers. Got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. We do get a digital speedometer on your right there. My view, trip and field gauges, off-road, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, navigation, phone, audio, and other settings. We got tons of storage over here, outlets, more cup holders if need be, your center console with tons of storage. You can get a little light down there as well. Drive modes, four-wheel drive and rear locking diff, trailer brake with your climate controls and heated front seats, 12 volt and 120 storage above, below, on the dash. 6 Upfitter switches you can set up however you please, as well as your engine brake, hill assist, 360 view of the vehicle where you can go for different camera angles. There's that lovely bed camera as well, always handy. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got your phone controls right here. Your navigation, search, reason saved, have your audio open at the same time. Fave apps such as messaging, email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE02199, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.